So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about a penny stock, especially for long term and which may give some multi-bagger returns. So recently also we have discussed a penny stock as a Diwali pick, and that particular stock also has performed very well in the recent times. So all these stocks that we are discussing on a regular basis, you need to have a vision of holding them for long term. So either don't book short-term profits, in the same way don't put entire investment into these stocks. So always in penny stocks you need to allocate small portion of your capital, and if you have a very good confidence that in the coming years if the company will give some very good returns, then only you need to allocate little higher percentage of funds as compared to normal times. So today's video also is going to be very important, and I am going to mention few important regions that you need to focus for this particular stock, and if it crosses that particular region, then only you need to search for buying opportunities, and you should also do your own analysis before you put the funds. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, then definitely subscribe it, and if you're enjoying the video, so do like it, so that in the coming days also we'll continue the same series of long-term stocks, and I'll provide the Telegram link in the comment section, so do join in that as well. Okay, so the stock that we're going to discuss today, its name is LGB Forge. So this particular company is basically engaged in manufacturing of cold and hot forged components, whether it may be used in automotive, non-automotive, and it has various classifications even in the valve industry and infrastructure industry. So this is the basic presence of this particular company. So when you see the name LGB Forge, so this resembles a similar company that we discussed earlier as a long-term stock, so that is LG Balakrishnan. So that particular stock has given some great returns to the investors who have taken almost 10 to 15 years back. It has given multi-bagger returns. So similar sort of management, similar sort of company, and similar sort of management. So everything is similar, and promoter holding in LGB Forge is also around 74%, because whatever the penny stocks that we observe in recent times, so for them promoter either has a very less holding, or if promoter has holdings, so maximum shares are pledged. So that is what we observe in any penny stock. For this particular stock, pledging is 0% and promoter holding is around 74%. So what else do you want when a strong background is present, and the same way promoter also is having a little higher percentage. So this is one main highlight of this particular company in terms of fundamentals. And next, if we discuss about market cap, you can see it is around 169 crores. Okay, and current price is only around 7.10. High and low, high you can see 9.83 is the 52-week high, low is around 2.40. Stock P is around 51.6, and return on capital employed is 11.3, followed by return on equity is around 9.71. So decent numbers for especially a penny stock. We can't expect so much ROCE as well. So this has given some decent numbers. Okay, so next, if we try to compare valuation wise, that is if we see the PE and we compare with market leaders, so we can see first comes Sona BLW. So that is one of the good company in this particular segment, and for that you can see PE is around 198.84, but if you see for LGB Forge, it is around 51.56, so slightly less, and we can say not highly overbought in the same sense. And next, if we try to compare ROCE in terms of major market leaders, so we can see this particular company offers 11.34%, and maximum we can see highest ROCE is provided by the same Sona BLW, which is around 17.59. So it's giving a very good competition in the market as well. Okay, so next, moving towards the financial. So this is very important because the financial itself makes any company go up or down. If they are good, the company significantly becomes a very good return maker, and if it performs bad, obviously correction happens. So here if we see revenue, it is around 26.88 crore and 233.49% increment is present on year basis. So that is very good thing. Next, net income 140% increment is present. Net profit margin, so everything we can see 3-figure increment is present if we try to compare year basis. All right, and cost of revenue has also increased significantly in the recent times. So financials are very good. Promoter holding is very good, and percentage wise we can see 74% is present with the promoter. So I'll show you the percentage as well. All right, so if you see the pie chart, you can see 73.82% is with the promoter, 26.17 it is with the public, and 0.01% is with the DIS. So majority we can say promoter and rest with the public. All right, so a very good classification and fundamentals are visible. So now let's try to understand its another company, LG Balakrishnan, so how it has performed in recent times. Okay, so now discussing about LG Balakrishnan Bros. So we have discussed it as a long-term stock. So current price you can see it is around 535 rupees. And if you see at 2009, the stock was only around 20.38 rupees. And after that, you can see after consistently when it has started performing on quarter basis and yearly basis, you can see where the stock has landed. So more than 10,000% returns has been generated by the stock. So you can imagine how much multi-bagger returns it has reported. So LGB Forge may or may not, we can't 100% guarantee that, but if it performs, then definitely you can get some very good returns in a long term. So just allocate small portion and just leave it. So what else do you want? Okay, so now we'll discuss some important points like debt to equity ratio and how the company assets and liabilities are there, and then we'll go to charts. Okay, so next important thing, as I told, debt level, you can see debt level and debt to equity ratio is at a very significant range for LGB Forge. And if we see reduced debt, it has reduced debt, and debt coverage also is well around 32.4%, and interest coverage is also maintained at a very reasonable range. Okay. So all these are very important terms. And next, financial health. So health is very important. Without health, we can't say in future it will go in a very smooth manner. So for this, health also is looking in a very good manner. Assets and liabilities are maintained at a very good range, that is short-term assets and long-term assets. All right, so these are the basic fundamental details. So first we have discussed about the company. Again, we have discussed the complete market cap, what are the ratios and financial point of view, and now we have seen some important things related to debt and this assets. All right, so now let's go to technical charts and we'll see the best levels that we need to focus. Okay, so as I told, I'll tell some important points. So this is one important point. So if you see the daily chart, you can see the stock is completely in a range. So if you observe the chart pattern, you'll understand it is going up, facing resistance, again taking support. So it is traveling in a channel. So earlier it was in NSE B category. So afterward, when it has come to equity segment, so the stock completely started moving in a range. So if it breaks, okay, remember, if it breaks 7.3 rupees region, so understand, if it crosses the 7.3 rupees level, then you can go for buying in it. So until and then you need to wait because it is traveling in a range. All right, so if a range breakout happens, so obviously a confirmation would be present and it will start going in the upside direction. Okay, so hope you're understanding this. So 7.3, if the stock breaks in the coming sessions, it may be Monday, Tuesday, you need to wait, because you need to wait and enter. So directly you should not jump into. So if it breaks that, then you can search for buying, and as I told, allocate small portion. So don't put entire investment and leave it for long term. And money flow index, you can see it is approached near 75. So not highly overbought, in the same way in a very good buying region as well. All right, so current price is 7 rupees, 7.1. So let it cross 7.3, then you can search for buying. Okay, closing is very important. So about this region, closing is very important. If closing happens, so then well and good. Okay, so this is the technical point of view. So any further queries related to this particular stock, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.